Hello, Tim Man down here in the BAM. Here I've got a 150 amp regulated variable power supply from Mr. Ronald down in Panama Canal, all the way down to close to the equator. Anyway, let's get on with the preview here. 150 amp regulated .V, which is variable, and around the back, your positive, your negative, your breaker, your 25 amp breaker. Just kind of one of your standard style cases. And now, see that little piece of paper is flying back here. The fan's got some oomph to it. And I've got it set up all the way to 18.5. That's a 10 turn knob. So you can keep on going and going, and you can really dial it into where you want it. Examples: if you get to HG transistors, try to stay around 15 volts or so, or less for anything HG. So we're going to throw on old blue and load it up and show you what we're doing. We'll be back here in just a moment. Hello, we're back. So I've got the old blue hooked up here, and I want to show you it does go to 18.6, and it'll drop way down to 7-ish, maybe even into the 6s, 7. So HG, and that is a 10 turn knob. I recommend for HG to not run it really over 15 volts. HG probably run around 14.5 or so. We're going to start test out at a 13.8 volts. Just start the test out with, and let's go ahead and roll the knob up on old blue over here. So there's barely drops at all. We're talking a point. So let's carry it on up to, say, we'll go to 14.5. And we'll carry it on up. Old blue's going up. Watch the needle start going. There we go. And drops a point. Just a point. So you can see that even though it's a 150 amp regulated variable, that the way that we build these, it's not 150 amps worth of supplies. There's more in there, because as you increase your voltage, your amperage drops. So if you say you go up to, and it's pretty simple math, you go to 16. If you went to the standard, using standard supplies, you would probably only be about 120 amps. And of course, you're going up to 17, 18. You're drastically dropping down. But I build these so that you have 150 amps all the way up to 17.5 volts. And actually at 18 volts, let's see here. Just carry it up to, say, 17 volts. And see how much it drops. See, it drops like 2 or 3, about a half a volt once you start loading up to 150 amps. And actually, that was a little bit more than 150. This meter right here just hadn't caught up yet. It was about 170. So these are built with more supplies than 150. So should be good to go, Mr. Ronald, down in the Panama Canal area. Tim Man down here in the BAM. We're going to get it coming to you. Anything we can do for you, let us know. Tim Man in the BAM.